Nestled atop a plot characterized by its distinctive topography and enveloped by the lush Atlantic forest, Casa AM, designed by PJV Architecture, located in Jaraguá do Sul, Brazil, addresses the challenge of establishing a spacious residence that complements the landscape. The design gracefully settles into the terrain, creating strategic cutouts that enhance its horizontality and provide diverse perspectives of the environment. The facade of Casa AM is a testament to modern architectural elegance. Dominated by exposed concrete, the imposing front facade features continuous beams that underscore the structure's linearity. The upper level is adorned with wooden slat panels, adding warmth and texture to the exterior. These elements combine to create a dynamic interplay of materials, emphasizing the home's horizontal orientation within the landscape. Casa AM employs a robust construction system centered around exposed concrete and timber. The use of continuous concrete beams provides structural integrity while allowing for expansive open spaces within. The wooden slat panels not only serve aesthetic purposes but also contribute to the building's environmental performance by offering shade and facilitating natural ventilation. The entry level accommodates the garage and storage areas, as well as the main entrance, setting the stage for the home's journey. The first floor is dedicated to social, leisure, and service functions. This floor boasts an expansive living room, a modern kitchen, a home office, a spa, a swimming pool, vertical circulation elements, and a generous backyard. The top floor is reserved for private quarters. This level comprises 4 suites, including a luxurious master suite, a cozy sitting area, and well-designed circulation spaces that ensure privacy while maintaining connectivity. The strategic cutouts and expansive glazing invite abundant sunlight into the interior spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The orientation and layout are meticulously planned to maximize daylight exposure while minimizing glare, enhancing both comfort and energy efficiency. The material palette is both refined and contextually appropriate. Exposed concrete imparts a sense of strength and modernity, while the wooden slat panels introduce natural warmth and texture. These materials are not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and low maintenance, ensuring the home's longevity. The interior design reflects a minimalist yet luxurious approach. Clean lines, neutral tones, and high-quality finishes create an atmosphere of understated elegance. The integration of natural materials such as wood and stone fosters a sense of continuity with the surrounding landscape. Custom-designed furniture and fixtures enhance the bespoke nature of the residence, providing both comfort and style. The landscaping is designed to complement the natural beauty of the Atlantic forest. The backyard and surrounding areas feature native plant species, promoting biodiversity and ecological harmony. Outdoor spaces, including the spacious backyard and pool area, are thoughtfully designed to provide leisure and relaxation opportunities while maintaining a strong connection to nature. Casa AM exemplifies a harmonious fusion of modern architecture and natural integration. Through its thoughtful design, material selection, and spatial organization, the residence offers a luxurious yet environmentally conscious living experience. PJV Architecture has masterfully crafted a home that not only meets the functional needs of its occupants but also enhances and celebrates the surrounding landscape.